Hello, everybody. Well, the response to these little messages of hope have been positive. Thank you very much, which indicates to me that you're looking for ways to get through these negative times we're mired in these days. We all want a break from the helplessness we sometimes feel as we muddle through many of our days trying to dodge jaw dropping and mentally draining news, right? Well, I want to continue to remind you that those of us who want goodness and grace to give it as well as to get it are the majority. It's only a minority of dismal people that exist in this country, but they are way louder than the majority because they're given a platform. They use their platform to lie, manipulate, and denigrate other people while corrupting the hearts of the ignorant. So, there's a proverb I want to lift up to you that I think serves as a good reminder for those who seek goodness and try hard to bring it into the world every day. And that's Proverbs 21:21, which says, "He who pursues righteousness and love finds life, prosperity, and honor." And that's you. If you are about the truth and not some version of it, that's you. That's you who have compassion for others and are willing to extend love to your neighbor, whether known or a stranger. That's you if you see wrong and speak up against it, even if you have to do it alone. You are courageous, you have integrity, you maintain your dignity, you are just, you are fair, you are humble, you are a fighter for good, you are powerful. And for all those things, you are and will continue to be blessed. Help drown out the noise of negativity with your mighty words and your acts of kindness. There are many of us who are supporting you because we are trying to do the same. And the promise in this proverb is that you will live a life that matters. You will have every need met, and you will live with honor, not embarrassment. So, be righteous, my friends.